Alrighty, folks, it is a special day today. We are going to be talking about the newest addition to the Market Cipher family, which is the DBSI Market Cipher Dual Band Strength Index. It is these numbers you see right here. There's two numbers on each candle. We rolled it out early, and so far we've been getting amazing feedback. Everyone that I've talked to so far really enjoys it. It's really helped a lot of people. It's usable on all time frames, hourly time frames to the smallest time frames. It's really going to help anyone with any experience level, pinpointing reversals, entries, and if you're having maybe a difficult time taking exits and kind of maybe scalp profits, this should really help you out a lot. So we're just going to get right into it, what we're looking for and what everything means. Number one, you got to keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. What goes into this indicator is very complicated. There are 36 separate indications that are percentage weighed that goes into each tick. So this is no joke. No one's going to be able to copy this. So it's we're excited to bring it to everyone. All right. So on each candle, there are numbers on the top and numbers on the bottom. The numbers on the top of each candle, so these red numbers are bearish strength indications, and the numbers on the bottom are bullish strength indicators. The number range goes from -5 to +28. So what we're looking for, let me pull up actually, we nailed a beautiful trade on Ripple this morning. Boom, here it is. Okay, so you can use it with Heiken-Ishii candles or normal candles. Normal candles are going to give you an exact answer as far as the number. Heiken-Ishii candles run off an average. So you can use both, go back and forth. Use both. I use both. So right here, I was streaming this morning, and we saw on Ripple that we had a 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 extremely high numbers against a -5, -5, -5. So price action should be going up. And it sure did. So we had it on both Heiken-Ishii candles and standard candles on the 3-hour, a very, very high time frame. It is really rare we see 27s and 26s, especially on a very high time frame. On the current candle, it is at an 8 bull, 6, +6 on the bear side. So I would probably start looking to at least take some profits here. This is a potential that this trend is reversing, whether it be a lot or a little. So that's it. You're looking for a large number against a -2, 3, 4, 5 on the opposite side. What I consider a large number, personally, I like 14s. 14s is where I set my alert and above. And it works on any time frame with any asset, whether it's Bitcoin, Ripple, stocks, Forex, you name it. So, for example, if we zoom in on Ripple here, so on the 3-hour, right, we had major 20s against super weak -5s down here. Boom! This shot up 8-9%, depending on where you got in. Had a nice little doji candle here. And it went from a -5 to a +6 on the bear side, and went from a 27 to an 8. Probably not too concerned. My guess is this trend is most likely going to keep on going. But at least this would be a take profit point. So what you do is, you go into the earlier time frame to see what's going to be happening in the future. And now look, it printed a 12 on the bear and a -2 on the bull. So this is reversing. Then a 15 on the current candle, a -3 on the bull. Plus, you want to look at the whole environment. So this indicator can really have you zoomed in on your monitor. You have to remember to sit back and look at the rest of your indications. Look at your waves, look at your momentum, look at your money flow, look at your VWAP, your RSIs, your dots, everything else, and take it all into consideration. The yellow number it's only yellow because it's the current candle, and the yellow number is going to be the strong number. So whatever the current candle is going to be the yellow color. Now, with this indicator, alerts I find extremely, extremely useful. So I want to show you guys the alerts I'm using and how you set one for these numbers, okay? What you're going to do is figure out which time frame you want your alert to go off of. So let's go ahead and say the 15-minute. So we're on the 15-minute time frame. We're going to hit this little arrow, go over to Market Cipher DBSI, click this cogwheel. The long entry candle score and the short entry candle score are where we're going to type in the numbers we want. So I want a 14 on the long side, which is the bottom side, and a 14 on the bear side, which is the top side. Click OK. Great. Now we're going to go over to this clock over here. Alerts. Click alerts. Go up to the clock with the plus sign. Click that. Cool. So first thing we're going to click is on condition. Go to Market Cipher DBSI. Boom. Here it's on the long entry. So this is going to trigger for the bull side, this alert. On the options, different people like different options. I like going once per bar because as soon as that number flashes, even if the bar didn't close and it's confirmed, I want to be there. If that number's flashing, it's probably going to be that number or somewhere close. So I want to get in. If the number flashes, I'm going to go there, maybe look at an earlier time frame or two to see what's going on. So I like once per bar personally. It's up to you. You can choose whatever action you want. Show pop-up, send an email, whatever you want. Name it. So this is the 15 Ripple long 14. Boom, boom. Hit create. Boom, boom, and you're done. Now, anytime there is a 14 on the long side, I'm going to get an alert, run to my computer, and see what's going on. If you have Market Cipher and you're having a trouble finding the indicator, hit Control F5 to refresh your page. You're going to go to Indicators and Strategies. Click on Invite Only Scripts. You'll see Market Cipher DBSI. You'll click on it and boom, it'll be there. Couple other quick little features. The long-term trend, this is just the average of the moving average of the previous candles. So this takes the average of the last 200 candles. You can adjust that to your like if you want to do 50, 100, whatever you want. You can go into style, labels, okay. This comes from my main trading bot. It's kind of like a race team where NASCAR, for example, right? Chevy will take things they've learned in NASCAR and apply it to their normal Impalas that they sell to us every single day. This is basically what this indicator is. So, yeah, guys, that's the DBSI. It's really simple. It helps with reversals. It works on any time frame. Don't get too close to the monitor, and go kick some butt, guys. Good luck.